Hi again, my name is Jeremy with Pristine Cleaners. So we have here today, we're removing paint from a concrete floor. You can see back here, there was a lot of paint on this side as well, over here on the floor, a lot of paint and residue. There was also the same paint here as well, so we've already pre-treated it, and we're going to go ahead and start scrubbing it. Once again, I'm going to use a black pad. This is going to be a little more abrasive for getting the paint off. So just scrub it good. Go over slowly. Overlap your passes just to make sure everything gets in there. All right, now that that's agitated, we go back in and we steam it off. One more pass just to get more of the moisture up. And now we just let it air dry. It's that easy. All right, so let's say we got the rest of this floor here to do. You can check us out for more videos. You can check us out online at pristinerestorationcleaners.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.